From $28 million of handcrafted excess to a secret hypercar born from a video game, these are the most exclusive, the most powerful, and the most expensive new cars on planet Earth. Let's start with the king, the Rolls-Royce Boattail. $28 million. And for that price, you don't just get a car, you get a statement. Inspired by the J-class yachts of the 1930s, this two-door convertible stretches over 18 feet of hand-beaten metal. Under that massive hood sits the familiar Phantom V12, a 6.75-liter twin-turbo beast. But that's just the foundation. Over 1,800 components were created from scratch for this car. A one-of-a-kind clock, machined from a solid block of aluminum, and a rear deck that doesn't open to an engine, but to a custom dining set. Champagne glasses, cutlery, the works. Rolls-Royce calls it alfresco dining. You'll call it showing off in Monaco. The Boattail held the title of the world's most expensive new car, but it didn't hold it for long, because a secretive collector working with Rolls-Royce's private coach-building division had other plans. The result wasn't one car, it was three, and the most famous of them, Italian for 110. And it's a love letter to their own past. Take the current Chiron chassis, then shrink wrap it in a body that pays homage to the EB110 from the 1990s. The narrow horseshoe grille, the low-slung stance, the 5 spherical air vents cut into the front fenders. It's a retro dream, but under that glass engine cover, it's all modern nightmare. An 8-liter, 16-cylinder engine, fed by 4 turbochargers, pumps out 1,578 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds, 124 in just over 6. Only 10 will ever exist. Each one costs $9.7 million, a tribute to history at hyperspeed. From France to Italy, Pagani. If you know, you know. And this is likely the final dance for their huayra, the huayra tricolore. Only 3 will be built, a tribute to the Italian Air Force's acrobatic team, the Frecce Tricolori, on their 60th anniversary. Built on the same carbon titanium monocoque as the standard huayra, the tricolore gets a completely new roofless body, blue carbon weave, accented by Italian flag colors on the fender vents. A massive new front splitter and rear diffuser sculpt the air, and on the roof, an intake scoop feeds cool air directly to the engine. But the real magic is hidden. The Mercedes-AMG V12, a 6-liter twin-turbo, has been turned up to 11, 848 horsepower, making this open-top missile the most powerful huayra the family has ever built. $6.7 million for the final word in Italian artistry. From Italy to Britain, now it's raw analog emotion. This is the Aston Martin Victor. Named after Victor Gauntlet, the industrialist who saved Aston in the 1980s, this is a car built from parts of legends. Its chassis, the last remaining tub of the one-off Vulcan track car. Its body, all carbon fiber, inspired by the muscular Vantage V8 of the 70s. The wide side skirts, the integrated exhaust pipes, the dark green paint and wire wheels. It looks vintage. But the heart? That's where it gets truly insane. Under that long hood sits a 7.3-liter, naturally aspirated V12. No turbos, no hybrids, just pure atmospheric thunder. 836 horsepower. And get this, it sends all that power to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, a stick shift, in a car with over 800 horsepower. It is the most powerful road-legal Aston Martin you can row your own gears in. $2.3 million for a car that feels like the 1980s if the 1980s had rocket ships. Finally, we end in Woking, England, McLaren. Back in 2017, McLaren teased us with a vision, a hypercar designed exclusively for the Gran Turismo video game on PlayStation. We all thought it was just pixels. We were wrong. Meet the McLaren Sabre. Only 15 exist, and each one was co-created with its owner through McLaren's Special Operations Division. Every car is unique, tailored to the whim of a single person, but they all share the same brutal core. A 4-liter twin-turbo V8 tuned to produce 824 horsepower, 34 more than a Senna. But the real number, top speed, 218 miles per hour. That makes the Sabre the fastest production McLaren the company has ever built. A video game fantasy made real at nearly $5 million apiece. 6 cars, over $60 million combined, each one a masterpiece of engineering, obsession, and insane wealth. Maybe someday, right? Until then, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll bring you more of the incredible machines on Earth.